This way, sir. Thank you. Welcome to the Rich Club, where only rich people can get in. So how rich are you?
How rich am I? The bank took over my friend's house because he couldn't pay the loan.
Let me guess, you paid for his debt?
No.
Then what did you do?
I bought the bank and returned the house.
Wow, that's so awesome! Here, this way, sir. Welcome to the Rich Club. How rich are you?
How rich am I? My son felt bad because he was driven to school in a Lamborghini while all his friends went to school by train.
And?
I said to my son, don't worry, I will buy the fastest train for you so you won't lose your friends anymore.
Well, I guess that makes you very rich if you can afford a train. Step right in, sir. Welcome to the Rich Club. I don't think you should be around here, kid. This place is only for the rich, so how rich are you?
Well, this morning, I woke up a little earlier than the Azan.
And?
I prayed 2 rakats before Subu.
Pardon me?
I said I did 2 rakats before Subu this morning.
Guys, be prepared, we have a situation here. The ultimate rich has come.
Wait, what's going on?
Bring him in, boys, to the first class.
What I did is nothing compared to what he did.
My wealth is also nothing compared to that kid's. Wow, I didn't know that 2 rakat before Subu could be this valuable. Alhamdulillah.
Aisha reported, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, 2 rakat of prayer before the dawn prayer are better than the world and everything in it. Sahih Muslim 725.